Hello guys, Bard here. I just found this really rare shipwreck behind me, but I'm going to tell you how to make some warden armor using armor trims. So what you'll need is a netherite helmet, netherite chest plate, netherite leggings, and netherite boots. You'll also want to get some silence armor trim, and you want some diamonds, and I'll search for some lapis. And to make it all, you'll need the smithing table. So I'll just place it down here, and what you want to do is, so you put the little silence armor trim. First we'll start with the helmet, and then we'll put in the diamond. And see how cool it makes it? So there's our warden helmet. We'll just do the same thing with all of them. There's our warden chestplate. And for the leggings, instead of doing diamond, I'm going to switch it to lapis. Same with the boots. Now I'm just going to put them on. And look how cool I am. Have fun with your new warden armor set. Goodbye, guys.